Hello, good morning. That's Choi. My name is Fai. So I'm going to explain about our undergraduate research server. So our server runs on server basically. They are deployed locally, but then we use this service called NGROK. So this service basically point to our deployed application in the server so that it can be accessed from the internet. So yeah, they have this global network called NGROK Edge. So in order for us to use their service, we would call their service, and then by calling their service, they're going to create us a URLs that point to our deployed application. So that is how our server work, and this is our endpoints, and this is the base URL, and this is the endpoint from that URL. So we only have predict in here, and this predict endpoint have one parameter, and the parameter is links, which is going to have TikTok links. So this is the example. We're going to take some of TikTok links in here and copy it in our links parameter. Okay, we have this. Oh, this doesn't have that much.
Today I walked into Dunkin'.
All right.
What's your name, bro?
Okay, so we're going to copy this link, and then we're going to put it in our parameter, and we're going to access it. Now, in order for us to simulate the first user experience, we'll use incognito mode. So when the first time user accessing our server, they would get this they would get some kind of visit site warning, and in order for it doesn't come out in here, let's open it in Edge. Never used Edge before. Let's try it here. There you go. It's going to give us this kind of window. We just click visit site quickly. If we don't do that, then it's going to cause a timeout. So we're going to wait for the system to predict the links, whether it is good or not, whether it's toxic or not. So while we're waiting for that, I want to explain to you about our server. So this is our server. As you can see, we are receiving the request from that browser, from the Edge browser. And yeah, so this is our deployed application in the server. So we're using Flask to deploy our application, and this Flask is going to be deployed to the internet using NGRAK. So basically, it's not deployed to the internet. We deployed in the server, and then we call the NGRAK Edge service to point our deployed app to the internet. So whenever we use, therefore they're going to give us this this link, which is going to point to our deployed application. So that's how our server works. And if we come back, and there it is, the prediction is toxic and the status is success. So toxic here means that it's not good for the children, which is already being explained in the previous demo. And yeah, that's how our server works. Thank you very much. If there's any question or anything you'd like to discuss with me, I would be more than happy to discuss it with you. Thank you very much.